Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your contacts from an Android phone and keep them safely stored. First, open the Contacts app on your Android device. Now, go to the Organize option, which you'll find at the bottom right corner. Here, you'll see several options. Scroll all the way down and you'll find Export to File. Tap on it. Once you do that, your phone will display all the accounts where your contacts are saved. For example, SIM cards, Google accounts, or phone storage. Select all the options by checking them, then tap on Export. Next, you'll be asked to choose a location to save the file. I'm saving mine in the Downloads folder. You can rename the file if you want, or just leave it as it is. Finally, tap on Save. Now, let's open the file. Go to your Files app, then to the Downloads folder. You'll see the exported contact file there, but you can't open it directly. To view it, you'll need a separate app. So open the Google Play Store and search for VCF File Viewer. From the results, I installed the app called vCard File Reader. Once you open the app, tap on the arrow button below, then choose Open File. Select the file you just exported, and now you can view all your contacts. Exporting your contacts is a great way to keep them safe. In case your phone gets damaged or lost, you'll still be able to recover all your numbers easily. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more useful Android tips. Thanks for watching.